All right, good morning. It's time for this late start class to start. So I'm doing a quick video for you to watch. I hope you all watch it. So this is what our opening page looks like, our home page and the Canvas. So you can see down here it has a link to a class schedule. So we could click on that. Hang on, I'm going to do that. And it has a list of all the things we do, the assigned dates, the due dates. And so for today, what I want you to do is do your email check-in. If you already did it, you should have 2 points on your grade thing. And then the next thing I want you to do is introduce yourself in the introductory Canvas discussion and read and reply to some of your classmates' posts. Some of you have sent it directly to me through, I guess, the grading thing report or something. I don't know. I never do that kind of thing, so I'm not sure where it comes from. But if you want to post it on the discussion, it would be great. So let's take a look back there. So we'll go ahead. I'm going to click onto what I have you, or I have all the pieces of each week's assignments in modules. So if we click on modules, since this is my point, you can see there's an introduction module there for you. There's the tools and resources for this, the CSIT department. So take a look at that. And also, the usual syllabus. Make sure you look at that and see what we do here. So here's the check-in. You see 2 points, introduction response. So this is actually where I want you to post your introduction about this has the information about it, so we can take a look at that. So I have some prompts for you to answer. You don't have to include them. I mean, grab this and post it. You can if you want, but normally when I have you write things, which you'll do a lot of in this class, I just want you to answer the questions or the prompts, but you can include, or reference them, but I don't want it to be written like Q&A answer posts. So here's the questions that you'll be answering to go in your prompt. So I just realized the CSI2 tools and resources in here twice, so I need to get rid of one. They gave us a new one. I have to figure out which one was the new one. I don't know why it doesn't just make the other one disappear, but there we go. So I also made a discussion about me, so you learn a little bit more about me, and then you can respond to that as well. But mostly I want to be sure you introduce yourself, and this is the way we build a community, so you get to know each other, what you do, what you're strong at, what you need some help with, and you can help each other during the class. You've got people to ask questions to. Mostly you should ask me, and in fact, when you ask me, it's best if you email me, because sometimes although it's working better this time, the Canvas doesn't always tell me when somebody's asked a question, so sometimes I miss it. But I try to respond pretty quickly. We can take a quick look at the syllabus. Hang on. All right, so here's the syllabus, the usual thing. For the class, we're going to use I'm going to email you content. So make sure that the emails that's listed is the one that you check. I will be sending content out usually on Mondays, and it will be due the following Monday. So that should give you enough time to do the work. We will have a class blog. Everyone's going to have a class blog, and you're going to write most of your homework in that. So later today, I'll send you out the information on how to create the blog and what I'm looking for, and give you the information for your first post. And this is about me, all the things I've done. I've been doing graphic design for a long time. I've been an art director, web developer, and I'm a partner in Webster Design. And then I work in social media development. And then we have a brewery, and I've been working part-time at the school since 2008. I have a master's degree in educational technology from SDSU, and so on and so forth. Anyway, if you need to contact me, here's my email through the school. I think it also sends it to another one that I have in there. Office hours I need to determine. It just depends. It's important to do your homework. If you stop doing it, and I have implemented a thing where I need you to check in each week, so that I know you're still part of the class. And here's some important dates. This is the wrong, oh, why is this on the wrong? Oh well, I need to update this because this is not right. I thought I had updated it. Apparently I didn't, because the first day of school is September 2nd, which is today. So I will update that. We don't require a textbook for this class. Isabella and I worked through the summer fixing the class, so you don't need a textbook. Homework, most weeks you will have a post due on your blog, and there'll be other work as well. So yeah, read all this, figure it out. If you have questions, it's like what we're going to cover is a lot of different social media platforms. Some of them we will work in, and some of them we'll just discuss, and some of them you've worked with before, so you'll be writing posts explaining things like that, your thoughts on things. And most of the posts I ask you to do are asking for your ideas about content. I'm not doing a lot of, like, this is this and this and that. So I hope you enjoy the class. I love teaching it. I always learn from my students. So I better stop this. It's already at 6.